What's up, guys? It's finally the day. We're gonna be taking this U-Haul that we got here, and we're gonna be moving the entire grow operation in one run, hopefully. We're basically gonna be taking all the shelves that we have already assembled, rolling them up into the truck. We got crops that we just planted. We've got crops that have been growing, crops that we need to harvest. So it's a little bit of a chaotic day, but we're gonna make the best of it. And we're gonna see if we can't get everything moved over there in one haul. Fingers crossed. You know, because most of the crops take 2 to 3 weeks to grow. So if I were to shut everything down, it'd be easier to move everything, but it would take me, I'd be 3 weeks out before I could sell product again. So that would really set us back. And that's why we got this big U-Haul, just trying to cut back on unnecessary wasted time. So. They're standing straight up now. By the end of the day today, if I don't go ahead and cut them, with all the moving stuff that we have going on, they're gonna be they're just gonna be all wilted and off to the side. So I wanna go ahead and cut them while they're fresh and standing like that. So they'll stay nice and fresh whenever they go in the container. If we make it all the way over here, and both of these trays of Sunnies are still standing straight up, I'm gonna freak out. So we just made it here. We just got our first shelf unloaded. We're gonna go ahead and get all the shelves in here, get all the crops off the truck and out of the heat. And we're gonna try and go ahead and start setting some shelves up, get the greens reacclimated to their new environment. And feels really good in here right now. We got the air conditioning set to about 67 degrees. We're gonna mess around with some of our lights, probably end up switching some of our lights out. And yeah, we're looking good. Can't wait to get this place built out and get back to it. So we got a little bit of moisture starting to accumulate in here. So we wanted to go ahead and try and get these things off the truck as quick as possible so that they don't get super duper wet. We're just gonna go 3 out for right now. And right now I'm trying to figure out what direction the mushroom stuff's gonna go in, but I can even run shelves all the way down through here to the front as well. We're trying to figure out how the mushroom market's gonna go. Had pretty good luck with it in the past, but it's if mushrooms do really good, we'll expand. We'll start with one tent and expand tents down the wall. But if the mushrooms don't do quite as good as the micros do, we'll just continue to expand shelves throughout the rest of the operation. Dude, imagine this place filled with shelves. That'd be so crazy. Completely filled. So we got most of the shelves moved so far. We got a lot of reorganizing to do. We got to get these old lights out of there. We're going to be using a new type of LED light. But mainly we just want to get the shelves into place, get the lights back on as quick as possible, get them back under this nice temp so that everything stays alive. We want to push through this week, get everything out to our clients, and as we go through the next week and through the weekend, we'll be organizing things, kind of getting some of these shelves, kind of readjusting some of the shelves where over time they've kind of dropped down a little bit. But yeah, man, we'll be kind of adjusting, getting everything acclimated, and getting ready to provide some really awesome microgreens again for all of our clients. So we just got everything off the truck. We just got the shelves moved in, got a couple lights on right here. The size of this operation is about 3 times the size of our old operation. This is gonna be really great because we're gonna be able to continue to scale, continue to expand our operation. Right here we have the start of our microgreen operation. It's gonna start on this side and it's gonna move towards the center of the building. Up top, we have microgreen content loft that we've been working on for a while. So we're gonna get our content studio up there so we can continue to create some really awesome microgreen content, continuing to work on our mushroom side of the operation so we can continue to bring fresh local mushrooms to our shelf clients as well. Over probably the next 2 or 3 weeks, we're gonna be making preparation to get our walk-in cooler installed over there in the left corner. We're gonna be building our utility closet so that we can keep everybody safe and away from the control panels, installing our washing station and our tray layout station. And then we also have something really cool that we've been working on for a really long time. We got a harvest machine that myself and my mentor have been working on building for about 3 years now. We're gonna have set up right here in this corner. And we're just really looking forward to the future of the Conscious Cultivators, being able to expand and just being able to continue doing our thing, working with chefs and, you know, just bringing the freshest possible ingredients that we can to our community. Guys, thank you so much for watching till the very end. Over the next couple weeks, we're gonna be continuing to upload videos of our additions to the new operation. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.